We might have reached the part of the apocalypse where we choose our billionaire, pledge our fealty. Not that anyone would protect us, but maybe not destroy us. That could be useful in exchange for some living basics. I choose Martha Stewart. Ah, drat. She's only a millionaire. What? Would she still have power? What if enough of us choose her? She's thoughtful, non-destructive. Martha knows you can't get eggs and milk without feeding your animals, taking them to the vet. And I bet her kibble's banging.